Welcome to the Getting Started Kraken tutorial. Today we're going to go over importing a simulation, inspecting the available data, visualizing it in a 3D window, and finally visualizing it in a 2D plot. To import a simulation, click on the highlighted button. Quick import information will be available for selected readers. In the Data panel, items can be selected to view more information about them in the Data Editors panel. These panels can be undocked as is necessary. There are tabs conveniently located within the Data Editors panel to access different information. Here you can see the time information about the selected data. Each item in the data tree has its own customized information panel and associated tabs with pertinent information. Here we see all available information about the imported grid. Each column can be sorted to highlight important information. Here we see the field data and the curves associated with that data. Double-clicking can redock the panel. To create a visualization in your workspace, simply drag and drop an item from the data tree. Select a grid property to be displayed. Let's look at oil pressure here. There are multiple ways to set your time step. You can either use a time step toolbar, the beginning, end, fast forward, and play buttons, or the slider bar to choose this desired time step. To add well data, select an item from the drop-down menu. As you can see, the data is scaled proportionately to the value along with proper coloration. In addition to dragging and dropping, you can also use the menu to create a new visualization window. Let's create one for the oil production rate for the field. Again, simply drag and drop the desired curves onto the time plot window. If desired, you can overlay other data as well. Let's take a look at the water production rate. To view this graph in tabular form, click on the Table tab. Using the Add Formula function, adding the oil and water production rates, we have the total liquid production rate for this field. Conveniently, this curve will automatically be added to your graph. By turning on Tracking Data Tree, you can view other items from your well data to update your time plot. Kraken can automatically arrange your windows for convenient viewing of both 3D and time plots simultaneously. Holding down the Shift key and clicking on an item in your 3D window will automatically update the time plot to show the data about that desired component, while a Shift click in the time plot graph will do a quick inspection of the data at a desired time step. Right-clicking on either axis will give you an option of the available units to change to. Similarly, on the 3D graph, right-clicking on the color scale will give you a choice of units. This concludes the Kraken Getting Started tutorial. Thank you for your time and enjoy our other tutorials available on the website.